Keeping your floors spotless just got a whole lot easier with the Laresar Clean 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop combo. This smart cleaning powerhouse does it all, sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping without you lifting a finger. First, let's talk about convenience. With its self-emptying station, this vacuum takes care of dust and debris for up to 60 days. That means no more daily bin emptying. Just replace the 3-liter dust bag when the app reminds you. Imagine going 2 months without worrying about dirt buildup. Now, onto the performance. This robot vacuum is packed with 3,500 PA of ultra-powerful suction, making it a beast at lifting dust, pet hair, and crumbs from any surface, whether it's hardwood, ceramic, or low-pile carpet. Plus, it automatically adjusts its suction for deeper cleaning when needed. And here's what makes it stand out. It's not just a vacuum, it's a smart mop too. With its 250 milliliter water tank and Y-shaped cleaning mode, it mimics human mopping for an ultra-thorough clean. You can even adjust the water flow and suction power via the Laresar app to suit your home's specific needs. Now let's talk about navigation. The Laresar Clean is equipped with 360-degree LiDAR technology, meaning it doesn't just wander around aimlessly. It scans your home, builds a precise map, and cleans methodically without missing a single spot. It even knows which areas it's already cleaned, so there's no unnecessary repetition. And if you have certain areas you want to keep off limits, like pet food bowls or play areas, you can easily set no-go zones through the app. This smart vacuum remembers multiple floor plans, making it perfect for multi-level homes. When it comes to control, you have options. Use the Laresar app for full customization, Alexa or Google Assistant for voice control, or just press a button for quick cleaning. Still not convinced? Laresar offers a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, plus dedicated customer service for one-on-one assistance. So, if you're tired of spending hours vacuuming and mopping, it's time to upgrade. Click the link below and bring home the Laresar Clean 3-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop combo today. A cleaner home has never been this effortless.